guys, I wanted to show you a quick, good way to organize your fabric. And I saw this a couple weeks ago when in a Facebook post where somebody was asking about how to organize their fabric. And I thought it was a good idea. So I'm going to show you what I did. Just received some fabric somebody gave me today, and I wanted to show you how I organize it. So what I do, instead of buying, anything special, I like to use what I already have, and everybody has trash. So I take cereal boxes, cardboard boxes, anything that is harder than paper, even old folders that are, non-usable. I take those and I fold them in half, but I'm going to show you real quick. So I get all my fabric out, whatever I'm going to situate, and I fold my folder. If you have a folder, you can fold it, or if you have a cardboard, just cut it, I don't know, to about 3.5, 4 inches long by maybe 2.5 inches long, wide. And then I'm going to take my fabric and I'm going to fold it in about that size. It doesn't have to be exact. So I'm going to take my piece, my folder, and I'm literally going to fold it just like this. Okay, just like that. Then I'm going to take a whole bunch of them and put them in a pile to the side. I have my fabric all nicely folded into a pile, 2 piles right now. I have some more to fold, but I'll fold it later. Second thing you need to do is find you a cabinet or a desk or something with shelving. I happened to find this on one of the Buy Nothing groups where they were throwing away furniture, and this is perfect for my fabric. Not only is it perfect for the location of my dining room, I have pets, so anybody that sews or has any, works with fabric, and if they have pets, they know that fur gets in the fabric, and that's not very good. But this is enclosed. It actually came with a key, so it was free. So if you have something already in your house, use what you have. So I'm going to open this. It doesn't have a door handle, but that's okay. So it opens on each side. Of course, I can't open this one all the way, but it's okay. It's good. Okay, so I'm going to very carefully, because I'm holding my phone while doing this, but I'm going to just slide these things of fabric right here, just like books. Isn't that neat? And I'm going to put this one over here. I like to have my fabric kind of separate, like the animal prints and then flannels and any kind of small scraps. My big fabric, like a yard or 2, and then I have more of these anytime I get some kind of this is foam, but you can use whatever you have around. Use your trash, use whatever you have already. You don't need to buy stuff. And then my solids are over here. But this is a perfect example of what you can do or how you can organize your fabric. I just love this cabinet. It doesn't close perfectly, but it's perfect for this space. And I hope this video helps somebody. Please like and subscribe if you would like to. And I do all kinds of things. Anything from wood burning, sewing, wood carving, and I just have a lot of hobbies. But thank you for watching.